Welcome to another episode of Ride Along with Dan. And we're headed out to do a roof inspection, and just kind of will let you know the tools we use and kind of what we're thinking is. You know, we never know what we're going to see. We've seen lots of roofs, but what are the tools we're headed to inspect? And first tool is your phone, Google Maps. That's how we find you. That's how we get there, right? And so we got that. So when we get there to inspect your roof, the tools we use, obviously we got a ladder in the back, collapsible, foldable ladder. And then when we get there, again, our phone as a camera to take pictures. And then when we get there, some other tools we use. We come with a inspection bag that we have our tools in for that. Gloves, it can get pretty rough up there on our hands if we're doing that. So we got our gloves. Tape measure. We get measurements of shingles to identify that. We have this is called a shingle gauge. The newer shingles this doesn't apply to, but for older shingles, this can tell us the quality of the shingle. We slide this on. We also have a digital microscope that connects wirelessly to our phone. And so if we think that there's hail there and we're not sure, we can use this to actually zoom in on the damage we see to see if there's any fiberglass strands that are broken that would indicate hail. And then another very important tool, and I'm going to have Lynn look into the back, is what we call cougar paws, special boots. Special boots with foam soles where we can walk on a roof without worrying too much about slipping off and things like that. Anyway, so we bring all these tools to the job to inspect your roof, do a thorough inspection to identify if your roof is healthy or if it needs help or if you need to file a claim. Anyway, thanks a lot for riding along with me today.